Manually extracting key details from a single delivery note like this one is time-consuming, so imagine processing thousands each month. Today I'll show you how you can streamline this process using the Extract AI app. First, let's create a new template and choose the delivery node. You can customize your template by changing, adding, or removing fields. Watch the video in the top right corner to learn how you can also map your customers' SKU codes to your internal ones, ensuring that they match the ones in the ERP system without manual entry. Next, upload your delivery node documents to the app or set up an integration, and Extract AI will do the rest. And just like that, your data is ready for download in any format you prefer, which means this can now go directly to SAP. That's all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below, and I'll be happy to answer them. See you in the next one.